Hi, good evening all. We are going to test our restore and recover using Arman backup, and that to level 0 and level 1. So coming to here, so previously we have taken the backup of level 0 as well as level 1 cumulative. Once you connect it to the server, database server, first command you need to check like ps-af pipe pmon. This is the OS level command which will give the database status whether it is up and running or not. So this will give just instance is started or not. It will give only the status whether it is started or not. But in the database level, you can clearly see that whether it is usable to the customer or not. For example, if it is read write mode, then it can be used for the client. If it is mounted state, there is no other persons connected apart from the database administrator. So that is why we need to make sure always the database must be in read write mode and corresponding listener LSNR CTL status should be on. Now for connecting to the any SQL plus or RMAN, EXPDP or IMPDP, whatever the utilities which are related to database OS level commands, you need to export the environment variables. For that, just simply dot single space ORAENV enter and database name ORCL. Once it is exported, you can cross verify with command env grep capital letter ora. So it will give oracle underscore sid means database name and the database base oracle base location, that means the software binary location, and this is the home, total oracle home. Then any command like sql plus sysdba, it is connected. Now you can double check whether the database useful for the client or not with help of the simple command select name comma open underscore mode comma database underscore role from v dollar database. This is a simple command and the open mode should be read write. And second thing, exit lsnr lsnr means listener, CTL means control, listener control status. It is in off state. Now you just simply just give start. LSNR CTL start. It is started. Okay. Once the database started in open read write mode and listener must be on. So after that, our aim is to test our backups like Armon backup level 0 and level 1, either cumulative or differential. Whatever the differential backup or whatever the cumulative backup, no need to bother about that. The process is same. Only the advantage I told, the cumulative is the best when compared with the differential, and also it is easy to recover when compared with the differential. That is only the difference. But recover and restore, whatever it the steps, we need to follow the same steps for the level 0 and level 1, irrespective of the type of the incremental level 1 backup. Okay. Now you can connect Arman target connect. You know already how to verify whether the database backup is available or not in the database level. So that is very simple command. I have already told you in previous classes, that is list backup of database summary. Just it will give the tag names and all. List backup of database summary. So if you want to see in full, then just same command. I reduced some font size. Again I am running this command just to simply show the complete part. Still it is yeah. Now you are able to see the full path like the names. This is 50 18th July. This is the tag. By default tag has been taken. It's like a level 0 backup, and second one is level 1 backup. Okay, so to find the locations, just you need to give list backup of database only, because this is the status of the database, but to find the location of the databases, then you need to give list backup of database. It will give the locations where it is saved. Okay, the backup piece name, example backup piece name 50 incremental 0 level 0 backup 18th July tag. So the backup is saved in backup set 2026-07-18. This is a backup folder. So how you are going to identify the path of the database? With the help of simple command list backup of database, list backup of database, and also you need to verify the key. 50 is the key. So this 50 represents 18th backup, 18th July backup. This 42 represents 15th July backup. Now our aim is to recover, restore latest level 0 and level 1 backup. Okay, so this is 50 and 54. So 54 related to level 1 backup and 50 related to level 0. It's just like a full database backup. I already told you the level 0 is nothing but a full database backup. Okay, what steps we have done? We validated the database existed or not. Second thing, whether it is read write mode or not. Next thing, it is going to have the Arman backup, either full database backup level 0 or level 1. We have also verified those backups and locations. Now we will go to that location by copy paste manually cd space. I guess the backup set is here, right? Cd space archives ORCL backup set 2026 18th July. Now just give lsflrth. It will show complete tag name also. The backup piece itself with the tag name. Level 1 differential archive log backup. Level 1 differential backup. Level 1 differential archive log backup. So this is kind of saving the files which are required according to the tag names. Okay, now we will drop the existing database and try to recover the database. First we will drop the existing database. For doing that, already we have the backup here. That is why we are going to drop the database. So for that, what I am doing, I will connect to the database again. SQL plus sys as sysdba, then shut down, or else what we can do, we will restore the database, okay, in another server also, by keeping the same database as it is, but it is a time consuming process to create another server right now. So for this purpose I am doing shutdown immediate, shutdown immediate. Once the database is shut down, you already know that, right? We need to start up the database in, we need to start the database in restricted mode. Startup mount exclusive restrict, startup mount exclusive restrict. ఇక్కడ sorry, once the database is started in exclusive restrict, now what you are going to do, just verify the locations. Okay, before dropping we need to verify the locations. What are the locations? Data file location, select name from v dollar data file. Next, select name from v dollar control file. Next, select name from v dollar log file. Member from member, select member from v dollar log file. If you copy these all things, then it's the database full backup, right? And also we need to create a manual creation of the p file, right? Create p file, the location, this path, orcel p file bkp dot vara from sp file. Simple. Now what you are going to do, drop database. And before that, just I will cross check manually these files existed or not, up to orcl. Okay, all files are there. lsfnl means all files are there, or else you can give ls space lrth this path. Whatever the files located, it will show 2.1 GB. Now drop database. You can drop the database. Generally, dropping of the database, it will take, depends upon the size. In real time, if suppose either 15 TB or 10 TB or whatever the GB, it will take max to max 5 to 10 minutes only. So our 2 GB database will be dropped within max of the 4 to 5 seconds or less than 1 minute. Okay. Now you can confirm, okay, our files are removed or not. LRTH and go to the path. No, every file has been deleted, right? Now take another window to avoid the confusion how to start the restore from the scratch. Just what we can do, for simple understanding purpose, I will take a new window. Okay, I will take a new window. Now we will explain how to restore everything using level 0 backup and level 1 backup. Okay, now first thing, verify the status of the database. It is not available, the database is not available. To start the recovery process, first we need to verify as it is ps pipe grep on. After that, just export the environment variables dot space vara env. Okay, orcl. Then, so what to do next? First you need to restore the control file. For that purpose, you need to go to the locations u01 archives, maybe backups, and date 18th. So this is the backup location. So it is already file we have, p file have been taken as a backup. P file has been taken as a backup. So now the location is this one. Just type sql plus sysdba, sql plus sysdba. Now startup mount, no mount, startup no mount, p file is equal to, you can give complete path slash orcl p file backup vara semicolon, enter. Now it will start the It will start the database in no mount mode. Now just exit from here and pwd connect to arman recovery manager, arman target connect, arman target connect. So now what you can do, restore control file from, maybe it is a auto backup. If it is restored in auto backup mode, then you need to identify the control file from the auto backup. So for that purpose, what we can do, just exit from here and go to, this is the full backup path location, and go to auto backup path, and the date 18th pwd. So 2025, I guess this is the latest. Out of these two, anyone we can use. Okay, this is the location for the control file. Just for copy paste purpose, I have done this. Now arman target connect, restore control file from this complete path which I have taken. Restore control file from that path. Once this is restored successfully done, you need to give command alter database mount, alter database mount. Now what you can do, catalog start with the backup location. The catalog start with backup location. This is the complete path of the backups which are taken 18th. So it will memorize all the backups which are done on that particular day. So catalog in the sense it will register to the database. The control file will update or memorize the things. Okay, these are the backup pieces. Okay. So why it is unknown? Unknown to the database means all files already in the memory list of the control file. So there is no need of separate catalog, but still we need to do this step to avoid the confusion. Next thing, restore, restore, double check purpose. Now restore database from tag. So already I told you the tag numbers, what is the use of the tags which are related to our level 0 list backup of database summary. In that level 0 tag, this is the tag. Okay, this is the required tag. Now tag single quote, I think we need to give restore database from backup tag is equal to this particular backup. I think if any mistake is there, just you need to cross verify before running again. Maybe the syntax will be different, I guess. No need to bother about restore database from tag. I guess restore database from tag, it is correct only. Why it is not taken? Restore database from tags. Is there any mistake? Restore DATABASE FROM. Okay, okay. Instead of backup, just give only tag. Okay, fine, no problem. Just you need to give level 0 tag name. Out of all the backups, I need to restore only my level 0 backup. That's why I have particularly told to the database arman recovery, hey, you have to take my tag number level 0 only, not instead of all the backups. Okay, you need to directly go for the tag 0, level 0 tag. Then it will be very easy to restore level 0. Once this completed, what we can do, we will recover. Once recovery completed, we need to apply the level 1 backup on top of the level 0. That is the most important task in the real time. Up to level 0, there is no difference. Finished, restore, finished. After that, what you can do, recover database. Okay, recover database. Okay, so once recovery completed, just don't open the database. Okay, first you need to, what you do, you need to apply catalog cat start with catalog start with catalog start with the tags already available. I already told you, right? If you just tag about the level 0 backup, so it will identify the latest level 1 backup also along with this tag number. It will verify the latest level 1 backups along with level 0 tag. So that is why once you give the command restore, it will automatically apply the latest L1 backup also. Latest L1 backup also. There is no need of directly applying the level 1 backup. It will automatically taken care. You have to just run the command restore database and recover database. In the last, it is the common error, one thread 1. This is the common error. No need to bother about this single error. After this, you need to just give alter database open reset logs. Alter database open reset logs. Open reset logs is completed. That means our database has been successfully recovered without any issues. ps-f5 grep vmon database is running now. Dot space vora env dot space vora env orcl sql plus sysas svva select name comma open underscore mode from vdollar database read write and lsnrctl status. Database is up and running. Listener also detecting the service. These steps called real-time recovery scenario. These steps completely explains you how to restore a level 0 backup along with level 1 backup. The level 1 backup will be automatically scanned as a part of restore once you give the catalog command. So that is the important point you need to remember. Okay, if you not placed the level 1 backup inside the backup folder, then you have to separately give that particular level 1 path also to restore again, that means to recover again. But in our situation, the level 0 backup and level 1 backup both are available in the same location. This is very important point you need to remember. What is the important point? If level 0 and level 1 backup pieces available in the same location, then there is no need of separately doing recover to apply the L1 latest backup. If these two locations are different, first you need to catalog the full level 0. After completion of the restore and recover, again you need to catalog the level 1 backup path, and then you need to recover. After that, open the database. So this is a simple trick. So once again, let me tell you for your easy understanding. If backup pieces like full level 0 and level 1 both are in same location, okay, during this situation, one catalog is enough. If full level 0 is available at U01 archives backup, suppose completely level 0, okay, just example only, level 0. Next, level 1 is available in U01 archives backup level 1, okay, like this. If you have two paths, in first path what we have done, once we connect to armament target connect, it will show like this. Just catalog start with first full path, level 0 path, then next commands restore database and and recover database, okay, restore database and recover database. After this, apply level 1, apply level 1, this is mandatory if two different paths. How to apply level 1? Again connect to armament connect. Now second catalog start with this level 1 path. Once this catalog completed, just only do this step, don't use restore. If you do restore, then everything will be gone. Don't go for this command. Don't run this command, okay, just only recover database. Once recovery completed, open database as usual, alter database, open reset logs, simple. Only the difference between, if backup has two different locations, this is the only difference, remaining everything is same, okay. Okay, fine. Today we have completed successfully the restore and recovery process for the real-time scenario using level 0 backup and level 1 backup.